Layout pages are nothing but master pages in ASP.NET. Generally, we need to create first we need to know the requirement. This is the total page. Now this page we are dividing into header section, and this is left side, that is the sidebar. And this is whatever the original page we are creating. And this is as usual footer. So now every page, if we want to create these things, not in all the pages, different pages, different things under. Then here we can create this header in partial view, and the footer is in another partial view, and this sidebar is in another partial view, like this. The purpose of layout. So if you are not using the layout, then we have to use one partial view for header, and one partial view for footer, and one partial view for sidebar. And this is whatever we are creating the design page views. What is the problem? This is for creating the number of views. Will increase the complexity. That is the reason we can go for layout. Even though without layouts also we can create. But the thing is, wherever the parts of the designs we need it, we should create one part in partial view, this part in second partial view, this is in third partial view, and this is center of the design views. So now, to avoid these complexities in partial views, we can go with the layout. Layout means master page. The complete design in one page, and this rest of the designing will be in a views page. This one we call it as create a template for MVC. So already you know that the main usage of reusability, whatever design and code we created, that the design and code will be at one page, that will be repeated to all the remaining pages. So now here we need to make it some better performance. And we will give the simplified approach. Instead of creating 3 to 4 partial views, we can create only single page. And here, there in a partial views, we can use underscore symbol. And this web form engine of the master page always in a shared folder. So here model view MVC by default structure, and if you wanna be created the shared, already you have the redefined template structure. So here inside this particular views, the folder name is shared. Now inside this underscore layout dot cs html. Now here the same type of structure we have to create for our own customization. Here in this particular views we don't have any pages, and based on our requirement we should create. Now if you want to create a master page related functionality MVC, then here we have a folder called as this add ASP.NET special folders, all these app data. Now we need to create one folder. The folder name is shared. Now we can add a new item layout. So this is, it is for Razor View Engine MVC 4 or 5 or 3 layout page. Automatically it is showing as underscore layout page 1.cs html, and then we can click on add it. So it is showing the rendering body. Whatever the content we need to display, the rendering section we have to specify here, and normal view cannot be into a shade. Add one new item. Controller. So now here use the layout master page. If we want to add that page design to the web page, then we can select here as use layout or a master page. And if we don't have any layouts and all, then it is empty. Already we have, automatically it is going to select it as shared folder, this layout or CSS. And whatever design that was added into that particular page, that content will be going to display to this page. And if we are not having anything in this, and we are not selected any layout. So this is a difference. Same master page, inherited pages, and plain documents. The normal view has everything: HTML, header, body, the complete structure. And if we are added any page which is added from the layout page, it is not having any HTML header, body, and all. The data, everything is coming from the layout page. Only it is going to display the content inside this. Now whatever the title name is there, that will display. And here one extra layout part, where the layout is coming from. The layout is coming from, 1 second.
Have you on the recording in the Zoom?
Recording, Shruti, it is.
Okay.
So the layout is coming from here, views folder, inside shared, and whatever master page is there, that it is. In ASP.NET, normally master page file equal to wherever the master page file is there, that will come. The same way here, the layout is going to display. And here in this particular layout, it contains the only one render body, because if the requirement has more than one, then we can go with the render section method, so that which section we want to display exactly. The body means already you know, one master page has many content placeholders. One content placeholder will display one design. Like that, here the whole page is only single design. If we want to display here many designs, then we can display, instead of this render body, we can have another syntax called as render section. So only one design. And if we want many designs, iterate render body. We can simply say that render sections. And which section we want, we can display the section name. And do you want to show or you don't need to show? We just say true or false. And whatever the section we need to do, we have to start like this. This is one part we needed at the rate section, and whatever the section name we need it, that we can create inside of this braces. That means we have to show only example. Where is your layout is coming from? Layout equal to, we just says that particular part. Layout page .cshtml. So now we can display some CSS content, and we can display the CSS content to our application. So for this, we need to create one content folder, because here all these names are some predefined names. See, if you want to add styles, scripts, everything, it cannot be recognized outside. Here we have a content one folder. Inside the content folder, we need to add the style sheets, and the skin files and themes also we can add it inside. So now right click, add new folder. The folder name is content. You can add any style sheets or skins and things inside. Add new item. Select the style sheet and then click on add it. Now we can create whatever the style we need it for our site.